Welcome everybody, NBA action. Mike Brenner coming back to you from SBR Videos, and as you know from the Odds Couple show, we're clicking on all cylinders. 82 and 57, right at 59%. Went 7-0 last night, swept the board, and Pete Loshak went 3-0. So we were 10-0 combined in the NBA, and we were 8-1 in the college basketball bracket. So some good things are happening here. We're on top of our game, and we're going to share an insight with the Toronto Raptors versus the Indiana Pacers. Very compelling game. There's a lot of playoff significance in this. The Pacers are trying to stave off the Chicago Bulls and Detroit Pistons for the 8th spot. Okay, they're trying to stay out of the cellar, and they've been really struggling as of late. My big question for Indiana is what in the hell happened to Paul George? All right, I know this guy sat out a year with the broken leg and did an excellent job coming back, fighting through it, rehabbed. Started out the year amazingly hot, but what I think has happened, the rust kind of caught up to him. That 1 year off, it might have caught up to him in a way where he's not used to the endurance. So his shooting has fallen off. He's down to 41.9%. That's unlike him, but I think he has what it takes to turn the switch back on again. Now, Toronto, on the other hand, 18 and 13 on the road, okay? They won on the road Milwaukee their last game after having a terrible home loss to the Chicago Bulls. So do they springboard from that win over Milwaukee, or does Indiana on its home court get the advantage? Going to be a very interesting game. DeMar DeRozan was given the night off in that big victory the other night. He'll be suiting up. Kyle Lowry had an excellent game the other night. So Toronto, they're inconsistent, though. They're 5-5 in their last 10. They have got to start putting some runs together and showing more consistency, especially on the road, if they want to snap that playoff bite that they've had the last 2 years. Now, the line came out, Pacers -2. You can even catch it at either -1.5. It's fluctuating back and forth. I don't have an official call. I put all my picks out today with the NBA Odds Couple show. Tune in for that to get those picks, and don't miss that, okay? But I will tell you, if I had to put a lean, I might take Indiana on the first half. I think they know they got to pick up some steam. They got to get this home win. The half would be available at -1. This is not an official pick, not against the record. It's just a lean if you're looking to throw a couple dollars on something. Possibly the Pacers in the first half -1. So with that being said, Toronto Raptors at the Indiana Pacers. NBA action, don't miss it.